Choosing the right rental property management software for your business is not an easy task. However, if you're here, it means you have chosen to consider Yardi Voyager as an option. It's vital that you go over every aspect of your decision and make sure that you're choosing the best option. Since this kind of software can have so many effects on property management companies and property owners, it's especially important that you choose the best option. Welcome back, Loopers. My name is Sydney and I'm a content creator here at DoorLoop. Huge disclaimer that I do work at DoorLoop and this is the DoorLoop YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be comparing Yardi Voyager to DoorLoop at the end. These are just opinions and I encourage you to do your own research as well. If you're curious how to go about choosing the best property management software, there are some guiding questions that you may ask yourself. These questions include: how easy is it to learn? What are the most notable features? How much does it cost? How does it compare to its competitors? Getting answers to these questions can help a lot when trying to decide on a single rental property management system. Luckily for you, we've answered all these questions and more in this complete guide. By the end, you should be able to make your decision, so let's dive in. Yardi Voyager is a cloud-based property management software that provides an end-to-end solution for many real estate portfolios. This software provides property managers with all the tools to manage and track all of their rental properties and financials from a single place. Some of the properties that Yardi Voyager works with include residential, commercial, affordable housing, self-storage, senior living, and a ton more. One of the most notable aspects of Yardi Voyager is that it provides all the property management tools that rental property owners could ever need in a single place. This powerful property management software combines all aspects of the entire real estate process in one single user-friendly interface. Now that we have a basic overview of the services that Yardi Voyager provides, let's take a deeper look into what features you'll be getting with this software. All of these features are catered towards property managers trying to automate or streamline some repetitive tasks. Some of Yardi Voyager's most notable features include facilities management, integrated accounting systems, investment management, and lease management. These features encompass many services provided by the software that are considered extremely vital for property management businesses. Let's go into more detail about what these features have to offer and how they can be useful to your business. But before I tell you that, make sure to subscribe for tons of property management resources and tips. And if you're enjoying this video so far, make sure to give it a thumbs up. First up is the facilities management feature. This feature allows property managers to keep track of and manage maintenance requests across their properties. This way, they can schedule and keep track of various maintenance requests at once, all from one place. This feature is extremely useful because it essentially automates the maintenance management process for your properties. Whenever a tenant needs some sort of maintenance done on the property, which is very often, they will be able to submit a ticket straight to the platform. This way, you can quickly see what the problem is and schedule service to be done as fast as possible. With this feature, you can also hire the professionals that you need for the maintenance that was requested. Then you can track every step of the process as well as any comments or concerns from the tenant, all from one centralized location. Another feature included with Yardi Property Management Services is an accounting system. These are extremely useful in any section of the real estate industry as there are numerous accounts that need to be managed and taken care of with every property. This is an essential feature for any property manager concerned with property development and growth of their business. One of the most useful features that comes with this accounting system is the ability to collect rent online and handle all of the payment processing through the web interface. This is much easier than the traditional forms of paying rent, like sending in checks every month. Also, Yardi Voyager provides a large collection of bookkeeping services and help in the setup of financial entities. It even offers financial reporting to make sure that all of your assets are in line and that you have all your financial reports you may need for an audit. This means that there's no need for a third-party software provider to perform the accounting services that your property management business requires. One of the other useful features that Yardi Voyager provides is investment management. This is a feature that you may not always find in different software platforms, making it a very valuable one to have. This feature offers property managers a ton of insight into their investments, as well as a way to keep track of them and ensure that they are still generating profit. One of the ways to do this is by generating custom reports that take many different data points into account, like resident data and previous performance. All of these features make asset management within your business extremely easy and centralized. And even better, Yardi Voyager allows you to automate all of these processes, making it easier than ever to expand your portfolio and reduce risk without referring to an outside consulting firm. Another extremely valuable feature that is offered by Yardi Voyager is the lease manager. The lease manager, similar to the investment manager, is meant to accurately measure the performance of all your assets and investments while reducing risk. This set of features also allows the user to gain insight into the health of their property and to keep track of tenants. This feature is useful because it allows a single user to generate reports all about aspects of a tenant or an investment and share them among multiple users in the same Yardi CRM platform. This is especially important in the real estate industry because it provides information about the tenant and calculates the risk involved with renting to that tenant. So now that we know some more about Yardi Voyager's most notable features, landlords, let's get into one of the most important deciding factors, the price. First off, looking at their website, they are not upfront about their pricing. If you want to find more information on Yardi Voyager's pricing, you need to contact the sales team directly as it's not publicly available. You may not be feeling too convinced about investing in Yardi Voyager now. If that's the case, I have a solution for you, and that is DoorLoop. DoorLoop has all of the features and accessibility that you will ever need in a property management software. DoorLoop is an all-in-one property management solution that is sure to meet and exceed all of your needs that previous softwares couldn't. Some of DoorLoop's most notable features include, but are not limited to, a complete accounting suite, managing all your financials and accounting needs in one place where the system integrates with hundreds of other software, leasing and marketing tools, automate the process of listing vacant properties and manage all of your leases from one fully integrated central database, and even screen tenants, maintenance management, keep track and update all of your maintenance requests from your properties, even hire service teams straight from the platform. Stellar customer service. DoorLoop's top-notch service team is quick to assist with any kind of problem. You can gain access to all of DoorLoop's features for as low as $59 per month. If DoorLoop is the right software for you, you can get started today. I'll leave a link down below for a free demo. But whichever software you choose, I hope that this video helped you out, and if you're looking for a place to get advice or connect with other landlords and property managers, you can join our exclusive Facebook group. I'll have that link down in the description. Also, make sure to check out this playlist for more competitor comparisons, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!